Hello everyone, today is my staff meal. I want to eat eggplant. It's very popular in Japan, this kind of eggplant. So I'm gonna saute with meat and veggie, and base sauce is make Doubanjiang. Doubanjiang. It's a very popular seasoning now in Japan. This one is from China. I guess so. You can find easy. So some Japanese food shop they had Doubanjiang, this kind, or another small container. Ask them Doubanjiang. So this one is a hot, spicy sauce you can make it. So I'm gonna use one of garlic and 2 slices of ginger root and hot chili pepper. This is the point because I don't use pepper, so I use this one, hot chili pepper. That's point in my method. Okay, and 200 gram thin sliced pork meat and bamboo shoots, herring mushroom, and shiitake mushroom, black mushroom, shiitake. So seasoning is my favorite, shirodashi, white soy sauce. I've always used this one. This one is a little salty. That's why my method doesn't use salt, because this one is salty. So you can find easy some Japanese food shop. It's white soy sauce. I think in the world now, very popular white soy sauce, shirodashi. Okay, and sake. The secret seasoning today, oyster sauce. I'm gonna use a little bit. Also, have to need the oil making saute, but usually you can use olive oil or salad oil, but I use my original homemade. I'm just show you a little bit short version, so you can make so easy. Okay. And I want to eat steamed rice. So this rice is a frozen one. So I'm gonna heat up microwave oven. Then this kind sauteed eggplant and veggie and meat. Just serve on top. Then eat. That's my style. So this one is very important. Starch, 10 gram starch and 100 cc water mixed up. So make some good flavor sauce, little sticky one. Okay, this one is we Japanese people call mizutoki katakuriko. This is a good point for making Chinese saute. Okay, let's start cooking, making nice texture. So not peel out everything, just a half like this. Stripe. This is negi oil, homemade one. So you don't have a negi oil, so it's okay for just make olive oil or salad oil. And turn on the power. High flame. So I'm just waiting of coming up nice flavor from garlic. Then sliced ginger root and hot chili pepper. Takes about 3 minutes. Okay. Okay, now I have put in Doubanjiang. My favorite, Doubanjiang. So Doubanjiang has to need heating up starting time with garlic, ginger, and hot chili pepper mixed together. So in this meaning, good flavor come out of Doubanjiang. It's the basic making oil, hot oil. Okay. And meat. Okay. You have to saute meat first. Always high flame. Okay. And basil. Sake. Sake. And I didn't tell you starting time. So this is kneading. Seasoning, 白だし。This is a 白だし。Like this. Always high flame. Okay. So I'm gonna check how it tastes right now. This come out and come one piece. Try to taste. Quite good. So in this time, secret seasoning, oyster sauce. This, I think 20 cc maybe. So good flavor comes from oyster sauce and mixed up hot flavor Doubanjiang. So eggplant already soft texture. So this time try to taste again. Okay. Yes, try to taste. Good flavor. I need more rich flavor. Little bit added 白だし. like this. Just a little bit. Because I don't use salt, so shirodashi has a salty taste and good flavor. So in this time, mizutoki katakuriko, 10 grams starch and 100 cc water mix up like this. Okay. High flame. So all sauce mix together. Good flavor come out, meat and veggie, and hot spicy sauce from Doubanjiang, and secret seasoning, oyster sauce. Okay, done. This is eggplant and veggie and pork meat sauteed Doubanjiang sauce. My original method. Looks so yummy, right? Okay, let's start eat. いただきます。Eggplant. Hot spicy sauce. Taste. Good texture. Eggplant. All flavor inside. Eggplant. A little bit hot taste from Doubanjiang. And good balance, but I just added oyster sauce. Good combination. Deep flavor. So good. So I wanna eat steamed rice with and steamed rice. It's good combination. Okay. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you.